Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. First time I'm telling you, I never seen this kind of construction, which you can see. So let's start. What's new here, guys? You can see this is a domestic building, a small house in the area of 1400 square feet. Guys, you can see this is beam. Okay, all the beams depth is 9 inches and its width is 6 inches. So now come to its reinforcement details. Guys, you can see this is column. Here they used 6 millimeter die of steel rod. You can see this is 6 mm. This is also 6 mm. 4 steel rod they used, which is 6 millimeter. If you come to its beam, okay, the beam depth is 9 inches, width is 6 inches. They used 2 steel rods. Look at here, which dia is 10 millimeter. In the column they used 6 millimeter diameter. In the beam they used 2 steel rods, which dia is 10 millimeter. So let me show you here. This is the other column. So you can't see any lapping. How they will provide the other steel rods to provide a lapping length here. So you can see 6 millimeter die of steel rod, 4 steel rods. You can see this is about 5 inches. Okay, so very poor construction. I never seen that before. So if you see the opening for window, so they didn't provide the beam. Look at here, so this is open. So maybe they will think this is low budget project. Look at here, you can see everything. This is the other, okay, opening for door. This is opening for a door. They didn't provide the beam. So this is also, so this is the very poor construction. I never seen that before in my life in construction. Look at here, you can see this is the other one. You can see, guys, clearly. This is 2-story building. You can see, guys. Opening for door. How they will overlap the other rods, I don't know. Maybe this is the new technology for him. Look at here, guys. Just 2 inches. This is for veranda. This is the column for veranda. You can see the centering. What can I show you here? I don't know. You can see. Guys, look at here. So guys, this is a short video to show you the poor construction of house. So this is the foundation stage, and this is the situation of this house construction. Hope you will love this video and you will remember this kind of poor construction in your life. Guys, if you come to these beams, so they didn't provide the steel rods. Look at here, there isn't any steel. Look at here. Look at here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.